Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Friday. It's August the 24th, 2012, and we'll be looking at Intel Corporation today. Ticker symbol's INTC. Let me get the old tools here. All right, there's your ticker symbol right there if you want to go look at the chart. What you can see here, we've basically just been moving around sideways, little trading activity here, a little higher highs and lower lows and so forth and so on. This mixed situation where when you have a situation that's got lower lows and higher highs, then you're just basically moving sideways. In this particular case, you may actually, at this point in time, reversing this little, you had a little bit of a downtrend here, and then you get a high point here and a higher high, a low point here and a higher low. So you could possibly be reversing that, but you may also continue to move lower here and just continue this sideways moving pattern that's been going on. So I can't actually say this is the exact bottom. What I can say, looking at this chart, get that cleaned up for you, you can see that we have a nice little hammer candlestick formation here, previous hammer candlestick formation here. That's typically where we start to find bottoms. That's what we like to see, and that's also at previous support, this area right here. So again, that catches my attention. On top of that, we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consecutive days to the downside. This doesn't, no market moves straight down or straight up. So when you start to get more than 5 consecutive days to any particular direction, start looking for a change in that direction. On top of this, we have the ultimate oscillator pulling down below the 30 line. When you see that, you're typically getting into oversold territory, and that's one of the reasons start expecting a bounce here. Now, if I go back over here and show you this candlestick formation here, the little hammer candlestick formation, not exactly a hammer, pretty close. Here, a little bit cleaner picture. You'll notice that you don't want to start buying just because you get a hammer candlestick formation. What you want, what's best, I would say, is when you get a hammer candlestick formation, start to watch it, and the next time you take out a high of a candlestick, notice this high point here, the following day was not taken out, so you continue to watch it. The next day after that, you did get a higher high from one candlestick to the next, also a higher low. That would be telling you right there that you got a little change in direction. So that would be your buy signal. You go buy it and hold and advance the stop as she starts to move higher. That would make you lots of money. In this case here, we're just looking at the exact same thing. Watching this guy, note the low point and the high points. High point, lower, 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 lower. When that changes, I'd be a buyer with a stop set off the low point, expecting this to continue moving higher. As she continues to move higher, I'd start advancing my stop loss limit. I don't expect a lot out of this, but if the market just keeps pressing higher, if the Fed can keep, telling everybody, no, really, any minute now, we're going to do this, then if people keep buying into that rally, then you'll keep seeing things like this happen, where you see stocks continue to drift higher, so forth and so on. So this is one way that you could trade it. And I gotta tell you, I'm having a hard time in this market finding opportunities like this. One of the things that you need in a good trade opportunity is a good amount of volatility. When you have a situation like this, a nice overextension here, nice pullback, lots of distance between these 2 points, that's fine. I like to work with that. When you don't have that and you get to a situation where you're just going higher, higher, and higher, and higher, and higher, and people are saying it's never going to stop, just keep buying, that's when you're getting into a little bit of problem, and you're going to end up getting caught holding the bag. So I'd rather wait and find situations that have got enough volatility to work with and the right signals, meaning hammer candlestick formations, things like that. And if I don't have that, I just sit on the sidelines. If you've not been to our free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free, and all we ask in return, please refer a friend. God bless, take care, enjoy your weekend, and be safe. We've got something new on the website coming out for you guys, hopefully this weekend. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.